Okay, we are doing 2014-2013 break. It is 6:15, 6:16 now. Let's see, today is Tuesday. We are doing a box of 2014 press packs and a box of 2013 Prime. I'll go through the teams. We got Harvey Tuwolf with his usual 5. Broncos, Panthers, Chargers, Dolphins, Bucks. J-Wags with the 49ers. Henriette Purina with the Ravens and Bears. Local guys, Derek, Jags, Steelers, Cardinals, Josh, Browns, Bengals, Vikings, Patriots, Keith, Giants, Jets, Echin, Saints, Texans, and Phil with the Eagles. So those are your teams. Whoa. Stop sharing screen. Okay, back to here. We'll start with this one. This is the least impressive of the two boxes. One on-card auto, 2014, has 3 packs. It's got some big rookies in it. It'll have a couple blue inserts. You'll get those too in case you if you get one of those. There's 1 per pack of those. I'll ship those. 3 packs, empty box. Good luck to everybody. A lot of the time it's in the first pack, but I don't know. They're all the same, so. Okay, we got Blake Bortles base. Timmy Jernigan base. Come on. There you go. Eric Ebron blue for the Lions. Nobody got the Lions. Paul Richardson base. Haha Clinton Dix base. Yeah. Okay, this is being a pain. Okay, this is the auto pack, so we'll leave that one right there. I just saw the outside of it. I don't know who it is. So we got David Fales, Stephen Tuitt, Timmy Jernigan blue. I'll look up who that is. Robert Herron, Louis Nix III. And your auto pack starts with C.J. Mosley, Trey Mason, Kadeem Carey, nice, Justin Gilbert blue. I'll look up who that is, and I believe somebody's going to be pretty happy with this one. G. Archer on card. If I am not mistaken, Dre Archer is a Steeler, but I have to look that one up to be 100% sure. Dre Archer is a Pittsburgh Steeler. Well, Derek, you didn't have to wait too long. Dre Archer on card. I got Justin Gilbert, Timmy Jernigan, and Eric Ebron blue. I know Ebron's a Lion. I know nobody got the Lions. Timmy Jernigan. Derek went over in the last break, so that's pretty good. Timmy Jernigan looks become Projected first round. Drafted by the Ravens. Nice. Henrietta Purita. I don't know how to say your name, but not bad. Not the auto, but nice little blue insert for you. Timmy Jernigan. I will put E-Brown blue in the case. Justin Gilbert is blue. Okay? Yep. Derek's going to be pretty pumped about that Dre Archer, I can tell you that. Picked 8th overall by the Browns. Justin Gilbert, Josh getting on the board. Also went 0 in the last one. Again, not an auto, but Justin Gilbert going to Josh. Okay. Local guys, you'll get the rookies. Other guys I gotta ship to, you will not. Okay. Now for the fun box. 4 hits. Auto jersey. Just checking my email quick in case I got one. Okay, Henrietta. Well, you just got a insert at least, so you're off the board. Uh, 10 packs. I will get them all out. There's your empty box. Go back, computer. Got any crazy thick ones or anything? Nothing that I can really tell. Yep. Okay, good luck to everybody. We got 1 auto jersey. 1 auto and 2 jerseys are the guaranteed cards. Damn lighting. Drew Brees base. Navarro Bowman base. Richard Sherman base. Jason Witten base. We got a gold card of Navarro Bowman. Those aren't anything special, but they're not bad. We got a Justin Hunter. You know, if it's a gold rookie insert, I'll send it out because that's an insert. This one feels thicker. Yeah, it's tough to tell. Christian Ponder, Ray Rice, Peyton Manning, Eli Manning. We got a gold of Eric Decker, and we got a Quentin Patton base rookie. We got a Russell Wilson, Golden Tate, Kendall Wright, Marshawn Lynch. Got a Prime Timers base insert of Marshawn Lynch. There you go, Derek. Another one. Landry Jones. It is some sort of rainbowy color. Numbered 40 out of 99. These cards are thick. I don't think they fit in a normal case. So I got these thicker cases, which they fit perfectly in. Good. Glad I bought those. Landry Jones, they're killing this break so far. Numbered 40 out of 99. Usually you get one, sometimes two, sometimes even three numbered cards out of the group. Hakeem Nicks, Cecil Shorts, Lamar Miller, Brandon Whedon. Wow. Now, before I show you this, I did not, it doesn't apply to this card, so it doesn't matter for this card. Dual autos, jerseys, anything goes to the person on the top or the left. I put it in the description always. If it's a Cowboy or a Bill, I get automatically. Anything else goes to the top or the left. This one, Derek, you should be pretty stoked about because it's all Jaguars. Denard Robinson, Blaine Gabbert, Maurice Jones-Drew, Justin Blackmon, quad jersey card. We got a Montee Ball rookie as well at the end. Derek's going to be stoked when he watches this video. He went over in the last one, so. It is numbered 72 out of 373. MJD, Gabbert, Blackmon, Denard. That's one of the two jersey cards. Okay, one nice card down. I'm not going to name all of these guys. Dez, Galvin, Phil, quad jersey auto, Zach Ertz. We got a True Font rookie on the side. Phil, you are hooked officially. You buy one team, Phil. Wow, that's a nice card. That's a nice card. Congrats on that one, Phil. Welcome to the breaks, buddy. Quad jersey autographed. Level 5, numbered out of 449. 360 out of 449 is Zach Ertz. There's your quad auto. Nice card. Tom Brady, Von Miller, Ben Roethlisberger. Ready? Oh, we got two cards. I think they're both going to Josh. We got a dual jersey. Tyler Eifert, Giovanni Bernard, numbered out of 330. And we got a Bucavius Mingo, numbered out of 350. Base, not base, but numbered rookie. They're both going to Josh. There you go, Josh. You went over in last break too. Out of 330. Not quite as good as your streak has been giving you, but I think you take that anytime. So the two duels, I guess, was nice. We didn't have to worry about. Numbered out of 350. Okay, so we got one auto left, 4 packs. Oh. Jonathan Dwyer, Trent Richardson, whoa. We got a Ronnie Hillman, Prime Timers. I think that's what it is. Prime Performances, sorry. We got a Trent Richardson Gold for the Browns. We got a Gavin Escobar rookie for the Cowboys. We still got one auto left, 3 packs. Steve Smith, Percy Harvin, Chris Givens, Prime rookies. There you go, Harvey. We got Tavon Austin rookie. Nice rookie insert, primed rookie. There's only one of those per box. Montee Ball. Come on. There you go, Harvey Toolwolf. Prime rookies. Monte Ball. Okay, we need to get Keith something. J-Wag something. Harvey Toolwolf something else. That looks like a thicker card, so I'll leave that there. I could be wrong, though. Could just be a gold insert, I guess. Heck with it. Let's just open it. Let's see if I can see if it's... okay, it's just the gold insert. So the auto's in the last one. Jimmy Graham, Torrey Smith, Miles Austin, Prime Timers, LaShawn McCoy, Gold, Jason Pierre-Paul. The gold ones are a little thicker than the other ones. And we got Stephon Taylor, rookie. Last pack of the whole thing. One auto to go. Good luck to everybody. Brandon Myers. Take the last one off the back. No shit. If that's the auto I think it is, that's an awesome auto. Oh, it's not. But I did see it. I saw the back of this card. I thought it was an auto, and I was going to be stoked. LaShawn McCoy gold. Somebody's going to be pretty happy with this auto, though. Brandon Myers. Matt Forte. Cam Newton. And your auto. Landry Jones. Not on card, but also low numbered out of 50. Derek, you killed this half the break. Struck out in the other half. Dominated this half. You and Phil. Phil just crushed it though. Phil bought one team and did awesome. Okay, quick recap. Landry Jones for Derek. Numbered out of 50. Primed rookies. Insert for Harvey Toolwolf. Bacadius Mingo out of 350. Going to the Browns for Josh. Dual. Tyler Eifert. Giovanni Bernard. Phil, my man. Tyler Eifert. Or Zach Ertz quad jersey autograph. Derek again. Quad jersey for the Jags. And Derek again. Out of 49 for the Steelers. Justin Gilbert. Where did Justin Gilbert go? He went to the Browns and Josh. We got Timmy Jernigan, who went to Henrietta. We got Eric Ebram, who didn't go anywhere. And we got Dree Archer. Odd card auto for Derek and the Steelers. Great break for Derek. Keith, I didn't get much, man. I'll try to get you something. He did good in the last break. I kind of struck out totally. So, yeah. But thanks, everybody. I'll get these out shortly.